Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we will learn about functionalities in the Styles tab. In order to demonstrate functionalities in the Styles group, I will use a dummy dataset. The first functionality is called Cell Styles. Now, if you remember, you can use functionalities in the font group to change things like font type, cell color, font color, and so on. You can do all of these things using the Cell Styles functionality, but in a much more efficient manner. So let me select a range of cells. Now if I click on the Cell Styles button, there are many pre-formatted styles available, and I can click on any of these styles to format all these cells the way I want. If you notice, in one go, I have been able to change the cell color, the font color for all of these cells. Therefore, the Cell Styles option is a very efficient way of formatting your Excel workbook. The next functionality is known as Format as Table. This functionality can be used to format an entire table in one go. To demonstrate this option, let me select the whole data table, click on Format as Table, and choose from any of these pre-formatted styles. This is a very efficient and quick way of formatting your data tables. The last functionality in the Styles group is known as Conditional Formatting. This option can be used to format cells based on the value contained in those cells. For example, if you would like to format cells which have a value greater than 10 in a different manner as compared to cells that have a value less than 10, you can do that using conditional formatting. Let's select a range of cells. When I click on the conditional formatting button, I have several options available to me. Let me select Highlight Cell Rules and then click on Greater Than. Now this option allows me to format cells that are greater than this value, 9.48, in a certain manner. I can change 9.48 to 10 or any other value as per my preference. When you click OK, you can see that all cells in the range with a value greater than 10 have been formatted in a specific manner. Let's look at another example of conditional formatting. I select a range, click on Conditional Formatting, and choose the next option, which is Top-Bottom Rules. Now when I click on Bottom 10 Items and click OK, you will see that the lowest 10 values in this range have been formatted in a different manner. You can use this rule to format the top 10 cells differently or the top 5 cells differently, or so on. Another very useful conditional formatting option is known as data bars. When you click on the data bars option, Excel creates data bars inside the cell, and the length of these data bars is dependent on the value of the cell. The cell with the highest value has the longest data bar, while the cell with the smallest value has the shortest data bar. Another interesting conditional formatting option is known as color scales. When you select this option, the cells with the highest value have been colored green, the cells with the lowest value have been colored red, and all other cells have been colored with varying shades of green or red depending on the value in those cells. The next conditional formatting option is known as icon sets. If I click on any of these icon sets here, you can see that Excel has created icons inside the cell depending on the value in the cell. So these are some of the most commonly used conditional formatting options. You can customize these options to a great degree by using the functionalities available in the conditional formatting button. You will become more comfortable with conditional formatting as you use it in your Excel workbook. So these are the three very useful functionalities available in the Styles group, and thanks for watching.